Top 5 Best Mini Metal Lathe. Here is the item number 5. 1100 watts brushless motor William 210V 400 mini lathe. Variable spindle speed of 52,500 rpm. All metal gears, shell and hand wheel. High precision, able to turn out standard qualified works. 1100 watts strong power, 400 mm, 15 3/4 distance center. Automatic tool, infinitely variable, professional tool post. Telescopic sets with scale. Wear resistant, durable, accurate and professional. Here is the item number 4. WM210V metal lathe 850 watts brushless motor. Professional compound rest. The mini metal lathe quick change tool post can achieve positions of internal cutting, face cutting and bevel cutting by changing the tool post angle and adjusting the compound rest. Professional cross slide is designed with abrasive resistance, moving blades freely with feed rod. Here is the item number 3. CJM280 metal lathe, AC 750 watts motor all steel gear lathe. Infinitely variable speeds. Variable speed from 52,500 rpm. Forward and reverse and all speeds. Operate either manually or with the adjustable auto feed rate. The handness and accuracy of the V-slide ways are obtained by raw material, heat hardening and grinding. Emergency stop bottom included. Here is the item number 2. Precision mini variable speed metal lathe. Sturdy iron construction. The mini metal lathe bed is made of high-grade iron. Equipped with nylon gears, this lathe machine is wear resistant, durable, more accurate rotation and professional. Mini metal lathe power of motor, 550 watts. The full-length splash guard provides maximum protection. Here is the item number 1. Mini metal lathe 550 watts metalworking. Wide application driven by DC motor. This mini metal lathe cut-off tool can be used in areas such as mini precision parts processing, sample processing and modeling works. The mini metal lathe bed is made of high-grade iron. Equipped with nylon gears, this lathe machine is wear resistant, durable, more accurate rotation and professional. Mini metal lathe power of motor, 550 watts. The full-length splash guard provides maximum protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.